Hello, some viewer. Welcome back to AndroidOlogy. I am your host Gaurav, and here I come with another exciting video, and obviously the next step of post detection APIs playlist. So this video is going to be special because we are going to see actual results out from the post detection API engine in single image mode. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In our last video, we get our image sources from camera and from the gallery ready to pass it to the API engine of post detection API. And for the presentation purpose, we set it on a image view on the screen. So now let's get to the work further. So first we need to create a bitmap out of this image URI. For both the inputs, camera and gallery. So guys, I have created this bitmap util object in which we have following methods to get bitmap from the content URI, and we are checking also the orientation of the image selected and to rotate the bitmap in the correct orientation as per our device. So don't worry about this file. I will put the link of this object file in the description. You can find it from there. Ready with our bitmap file from the image URI, and the Google's ML kit that is for post detection API accepts an input image object to run it through the engine. So we need to create that first. So I am creating if bitmap is not equal to null, let's call it image object input image dot from bitmap. So I'm passing this bitmap and this flag to 0. So this image object will finally be passed to the API engine. So before that we need to create our post detection object. So let's get it. If you guys remember, we have two APIs here for the post detection. The one is a single and the second one is accurate post detection option. So let's create from the normal one first. Also we have two modes, the single image mode and stream mode. So currently we are doing for the single image mode. So let's select this dot build, and same if you want to use that post detection accuracy, that accurate post detection SDK, then you just simply need to replace this with post accurate post detection options. Okay, so for now I am commenting this, and let's return with post detection dot get client with the option. Now we have this post detection client here, and let's process the input image. Let's put listeners here, the success listener and the failure listener. So this pose is just a list of all the related landmark points and their positions. So let's print it on the console. For that I'm using string builder, and let's iterate through this list. So firstly we are gonna have landmark type. And further landmark position. And let's console it. Just in case we get any error. Okay, so we are set now. Let's play this. Single image mode. Let's select it from gallery, and I have selected this image. Before that, let's go to logcat. Okay, so this is our result. The landmark type 0 and landmark position is this one. Map this landmarks type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to your knowledge. So if you remember, in our first introduction video of this pose detection API, we talked about this landmark positions, like 0 is for nose and 1 is for left inner eye and so on. So this 0 is like denoting this nose, 1 for left eye inner, so and so on. So I believe you are now able to map these landmarks type to the body parts. And guys, if you didn't check that video, so just click on the I button to know more about these landmark positions. Further, if you want to fetch any specific landmark, then we can also do so. So let's try with this. Let me say with the tag landmark, and from pose list get pose landmark dot. So these are all the types. So let's say we are going to check for nose landmark position. Let's put it to toString. Let's run it and check. Okay, so this landmark, this tag is giving us this point, which is of specifically for nose, and later on we have printed this string builder, and this is all the information exist in the string builder. These are the results by using that pose detection normal API SDK. So let's try with that accurate one also. So I am commenting this one, and let's use this accurate pose detection options. Run it. Let's clear the previous outputs. Okay, cool. So it is also giving all the landmarks and their positions as well. So maybe there is some point of accuracy in it by using this accurate pose detection options. So we'll find out later. In this way, we just saw the raw output from pose detection API, and we can use this data according to our requirements. It could be designing any algorithm on top of it. I mean, just anything where you can utilize this info. So in our journey, we'll mark all the points on the screen here, overlapping the input image that we are seeing in the app. so as to check how accurate the points are positioned over it. So next video is going to be very interesting, don't miss that. And if you guys are really enjoying the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. See you in next video.